to turn off. Hey everybody, let's talk about the first definition for our phrasal verb turn off. Just like with turn on, if I turn on a piece of equipment, I can turn off that piece of equipment, such as a television. I can also use turn off to talk about turning off the supply of something, such as the supply of electricity. So if I turn that light on, I can also turn it off. And just like with open, we don't use close to describe these things. So I don't close the television and I don't close the light. I turn them off. This phrasal verb can be separated. So I can say turn off the light or turn the light off. Okay, definition number 2 for turn off. This definition means something causes you to lose interest in something. And in this case, I must separate my two parts of the verb. So my object must come between turn and off. So for example, I could say, the ending of the book turned me off. I loved the book until I got to the end. Then I hated it. I hated the ending. It turned me off. Okay, our final definition for turn off is related to directions. In this case, we use turn off to talk about turning off of one path or one road and going down a different road or path in a different direction. So I could say, I turned off the main road and went down this smaller side road. And in this case, we must keep turn and off together. We cannot separate them. All right, there you have it. 3 definitions for the phrasal verb turn off. As always, let me know if you have any questions.